Height! On my command, fall!
On the command fall in, the guidon bearer will take their position to the right of the flight commander. The guidon bearer will then take 3 24-inch steps, perform a left face, and take the appropriate steps in order for the flight to center off the flight commander, followed by another left face. The guidon bearer will perform a right dress while keeping the guidon in a ready position.
Right! Height!
The flight commander will give the command right face to put the flight in column formation.
Come!
The flight commander will then perform the 3 phases of sizing a flight. When giving the exceptions, the flight commander will run circles around their flight and will make any corrections deemed necessary prior to moving to the next phase.
Height! Height! No exceptions. If you're taller than 10 frames, time short to move forward. That's probably 60 feet in my mind. Get there, 50 feet out of more than 50 feet. Aft! Height! He steps God, I'm barely going to touch the flag commander. You're tall, can't fucking touch from forward. And this guy is bring your heels together.
During the count-off procedures, the flight commander will reposition themselves back to the center range of the flight while re-establishing 3 paces of distance.
Out! Ho!
1, 2, 3.
Out! Ho!
1, 2, 3.
Out! Height!
The flight commander will then call a left face, putting the flight back in line formation.
Open ranks! Height!
The flight commander will then call open ranks, march, and immediately perform a facing march with shoulder motion and coordinated arm swing.
First count up. Second count up.
Once the flight commander has finished aligning the first element, they will reposition center to the element or in the box and will perform a facing march 90 degrees to the left with shoulder motion and coordinated arm swing and will take 3 24-inch steps, creating 72 inches of distance. The flight commander will then take an 8-inch step to the right to establish 64 inches of total distance between elements and will reposition the members of the second element into their box. Once the flight commander has completed aligning the second element, they will repeat the same steps for the third element.
First count up. Second count up. Third count up.
After the flight commander has completed aligning the third element, they will perform a facing march to the right by bringing their left foot over their right foot with coordinated arm swing. They will march to the guidon bearer, stop, and take 3 24-inch steps in front of the flight. The flight commander will then perform a left face and will command ready front.
Right up. Height!
The flight commander will take 1 24-inch step to join the flight, perform a right face, and await the inspecting party.
Sir, POC flies prepare for inspection. Accompany me in this inspection. Accompany you on this inspection. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Second and third elements. Paid hats!
Once the second and third elements perform the command, the flight commander will perform a 3-count movement to position themselves center to the first rank.
Step. All the way down. Let's play. March. Say no, man. Touch. Hut. Step.
First element. Hooray! Hut!
All the way down. Play. Hard. Third element. Pinch. Hut. Step. Second element. Parade. Half.
When the inspecting party finishes inspecting the last member of the element, they will recite the following verbiage, all the way down. The flight commander and inspecting party will perform a facing march using shoulder motion from left to right, with the left foot stepping over the right foot with coordinated arm swing. These steps will be applied when transiting to all elements.
Third element. Parade. Hut. Height. Tench. Hut. Sir, POC flies completed the inspection. Finish your procedures. Finish my procedures. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, Hanks! Touch! Hut!
The flight commander will then march to the center of the flight, perform a left face, microcorrect, and assume the command given to the flight.
Height! Touch! Hut! Hello!
This completes the inspection.